Welcome, guys, and today we are going to see about an interesting font structure called the Hedgehog system. I'll go very fast through this opening. This is the Sicilian. Is D4, knight takes D4, knight C6, knight B5, and D6, and C4, knight F6, knight 1 C3, A6, knight A3, bishop B7, bishop B2, castles and b6. And as you can see, this is called the hedgehog system. The pawn structure is typical for this system. This is very popular in the modern practice. White possesses more space, but black's defensive position is very flexible. The black pawns placed along the third rank are like the spines of a hedgehog. At the first opportunity, black is ready to counter-attack with b6 or b5 or d5. The black must be ready for the right time and the right opportunity to push his d5 or b5 pawns. The d6 pawn is by no means weak, as it is reliably defended by the e7 bishop. The hedgehog system occurs in different openings. The first is the Sicilian defense. Then even in the English opening, it occurs in the English opening called the symmetrical one. Sometimes it occurs like after c4 and then c5, then knight f3, knight f6, and knight c3, e6, g3, and b6, bishop g2, bishop b7, castle shot, a6, d4, cd4, queen takes d4, and d6. And as you can see, this also occurs in the English opening. And then even it occurs in the Queen's Indian defense, like d4, knight f6, and c4, and e6, and knight f3, b6, then g3, then bishop a6, then queen a4, then bishop b7, bishop g2, c5, and castle shot, then cd4, then knight takes d4, bishop takes g2, king takes g2, bishop e7, and then knight c3, castle shot, and e4, d6. As you can see, the hedgehog system again reappears, this time in the Queen's Indian defense. So okay, let's talk about the plans for black and white. So the main plan for black is here undermining the white center. So as you have seen, many of the typical pawn structures, it is a main plan to undermine the center of your opponent. Always keep in mind that your opponent's strong pawn center must be undermined, either with c5 or f5, those kind of moves. Here black black tries to undermine white's pawn center by b5 or d5. Even another plan for black is a counter blow by pushing the e6 to e5. Again the central thrust e5, and then the third major plan for black is active play on the king side, involving g5 push or h5 push. So this is the third plan, and the fourth plan is there are typical maneuvers of the black pieces. I'll be showing you that. Uh, Here I'll be showing you about these plans in extensively in each and every position, because to understand the hedgehog is not easy to explain in one video. I'll be posting next videos. I'll be telling about them. uh, Thank you guys.